Hi, welcome to Omnibus Film Division, our Patreon page. I'm starting a new video because the old one was horrible and it was filmed over a year ago and I haven't made any videos and I feel bad about that. But please consider becoming a patron. If you have any ideas for different tiers or patron levels or whatever they're called, let me know. I am trying to figure out how to give something back, because the original plan was only to do reviews of camera equipment and things like that, but that doesn't, you can't really make something for somebody in that way. I mean, they're hardly going to be entertaining, except for the people who want to watch that particular video on that particular thing. So my strongest background is motion graphics design in filmmaking. There is this new thing in Adobe where you can create motion graphics templates that you can use in Premiere without having to know motion graphics, and you can plug in your own words into titles and things like that. So I figured that's one thing I could give out to patrons. But other than that, the projects I work on tend to last for months to years. I just finished a music video that I've been animating for a year. So that's not really tenable as something I can give out to patrons or early access or anything like that. So if you have any ideas, please let me know and I'm going to keep working on it. Also, coming down the line are more reviews of camera equipment and the like, the support equipment, like getting ready to do one for batteries right now. Yeah, I mean, as a filmmaker who doesn't have a lot of capital money up front to purchase things or rent things for projects, I have to search and research gear that, one, doesn't cost much, and two, maybe I can modify to fit my needs if it doesn't come that way already. And there are a lot of DIY filmmakers and just DIY people in general who might appreciate some of these things I've come across. And yeah. Also, I've kind of figured out after watching many other people's patron pages and YouTube vlogs that I need to do this more in a vlog format. I need to attach my story to the things that I'm reviewing and tell how I'm using them, and maybe just different things I run into as a filmmaker who's on a budget. Originally, it was going to be very clinical, very scientific. All of the products I review are going to have the same set of consumer reports, basically. Stats, measurements, how long does it last, all that stuff. But it's pretty dry. I don't think I can make anything that would entertain people long enough to watch them, other than people doing research on things they plan on buying, like on the internet. So there are going to be many more vlogs type videos, things. I'm just going to, instead of coming up with a solid product to talk about, I'm going to talk about an aspect of filmmaking that I run into a problem and hopefully a solution. And maybe I can crowdsource some other solutions, or hopefully it'll help other filmmakers who are trying to get the best quality, the most visually appealing product without spending hundreds of thousands of dollars on camera gear and things like that. So thank you. Please consider becoming a patron, subscribing on YouTube, and yeah, thanks. That was really long.